Well, hello. Here is my new plant haul, and I'll start with this with alocasia maharani or maybe marani. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So I want to tell you that when you touch these leaves, oh my God, look at these leaves. When you touch them, it's like, I don't know, my heart just bounced, and it's look how big it is. It's very big. I looked on Etsy the other day for this plant. They had it in such a nice picture, but it was so expensive, and I got this one today, and it's very pretty. It needs to be cleaned, and it needs to be obviously put away. I forgot the words. I forgot the words. I just started to sleep, and I'm like, oh gosh. It needs to be quarantined. Look under the leaf. Oh my God, this is just beautiful leaf. Be sure that I'll make some pictures because I want to really show this leaf. It's a beautiful plant. I'm so excited to add it to my alocasias. Yes, today was an alocasia day. And this one is the alocasia corazon. I hope I said it right. And look at this one. This is amazing. It's just amazing. I'm like blown away by the beauty of these plants. This is totally gray, very pretty in and out. And look what it has here. Besides having baby leaves, it also has a flower. Oops, sorry. Has a flower that didn't open yet. So I'm very excited. Very beautiful plants. When I go to my nursery, this is actually my favorite nursery. When I go and I look at their plants, they have these huge leaf plants, and that's what I'm looking for. They do have plants I really want to have, but they're still babies and very expensive. So I'm waiting. If I'll pay more money, I'm still waiting for it to be to have a large leaf. I got this Hoya. I'm not good with Hoyas, but I got this Hoya because I wanted to try and see if I can grow it, and I liked it because it had large leaves. These are pretty large leaves, and they're so beautiful too. I like the veins. I like the white on the side. So this was cheap. It's a Hoya macrophylla. Okay, I thought they don't have names, but I'm excited to grow it. I'm gonna go and look into what is this stick all about here. Like, what is this? Is it supposed to be this way? Do I cut it? What do I do? I'm not sure. The other ones didn't have this stick, but they didn't have these huge leaves either. So I wanted the leaves. I want to see and try. I see and I hear that Hoyas are easy plants and many people have it. I have no idea why I keep destroying mines. Probably I'm overwatering. I'm not sure. That's what they told me. Watch how you water them. So I'm hoping to be successful with this one, and if I am, I'll add some more to my collection. And this one is the silver dragon. I wanted this one for a long time as well, and this definitely looks like a dragon. I don't know what this leaf is doing, but this is the last leaf, so I believe it's like, you know, having its things. And this is how beautiful it is. I'll be cleaning it, and then I'll be also taking pictures of it. But look, oh my God, just look. You have just to touch it. You for real have to touch it to understand what I mean. It's like so pretty, and it's having a new it's not focusing. I need to put it down. It's having a new baby leaf here. Amazing plant. I'm like very excited. It couldn't be anything better than this. I went after my work to just check them out because they have my future plant. They have my Monstera Tech constellation that I cannot afford at the moment, but I'm always like, I go once a week to check and make sure that they didn't sell it. I know I'm gonna be heartbroken when they do sell it, but you know, I'm checking on that. I'm trying to dream that that's gonna be my plant, and as long as it's in the store, well, I had the chance to get it. Maybe not right now, but later on. So they also told me, because I was showing them the videos from my alocasia cotton princess and all bugs, so they gave me this, and they said you put it one on a plant and there's some type of bugs inside that are actually going to eat all the spider mites. So I'm very excited to add this to, sorry for the mess on the background, but I have some big plants that I'm afraid to lose, so I'm going to add it to all of them. I believe I should make a video on all my alocasia collection and show you all the beautiful leaves. I mean, come on, tell me these leaves don't just put a spell on you. Like, just, if you say they don't put a spell on you, I don't know. I don't know, one of us is wrong. But look at this, oh my goodness. Like I can stay here and just look at these plants. I'm planning to have my dinner with them today, because these are plants that, I don't know, I just won't be able to get over it. Wow. And if I ever find another plant of these plants that has huger leaves, be sure I'm getting it. I'm like gonna buy it, because I cannot, I'm just overwhelmed by the beauty of these plants. Alocasias are very beautiful plants, although they do get the spider mites most of the time, and that's a headache. Still, I believe that these are plants that, you know, they, oh gosh, look at these huge lobes, and then you get the other one with small lobes. And I noticed that the ones that have the smaller lobes, they have these beautiful textures that, you know, they just steal your heart. So I'm going to get my camera, charge it, and then do some photo sessions for my beautiful plants. Oh, I'm so excited. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll probably have a video coming on all my alocasias, because I believe I have a ton of them, and I want to show you really quick. That wasn't supposed to be, because it's not from today, but this is another one of them, and these are beautiful leaves. Like, wow, like, you know, they just, I don't think my camera makes any justice to the beauty of these leaves. No matter how hard I try to show it, they are just gorgeous leaves, like amazing plants. I'm like telling you, you look at them and you just go, oh, you just don't want to leave this room. It's so beautiful. Look at them. Sorry, it was supposed to be about my new plants, but I have to show you all of these beautiful plants. So you see, the bigger the lobes, the more, like, the plant still has these veins and textures and, like, I don't know, looking pretty, but it's not so prominent as in the ones that here. So too, they're more shiny, as in the ones that are having smaller lobes. You can see the texture. It's like, if you look on the back, it's like, you know, it has its very nice texture, preeminent texture. Oh my god, I hope I didn't hurt you too much, because I've been touching these leaves, and you shouldn't touch the leaves, but I've been touching them, like, since I got them. I'm just touching and touching and touching. Such a good sensory time. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.